Now this one is a really easy recipe, actually like all the others, but this is a side. It's Okra Raita, and I've dug out this book, Cardamom Trail, and it is from this book. There's a really nice selection of chutneys and raitas in here as well. I do really like this book. Anyways, moving on, I have got 150-200 grams of okra. I washed it, and the key to okra is you always wipe it down, so you don't want it wet, otherwise it will get really slimy. And I've got some sunflower oil in here, and I've just chopped them very little pieces, and I'm going to fry them in just until it's golden. What you really want to do is get rid of all the slimy bits. So we are cooking it down, and obviously right now I'm deep frying, but you don't have to deep fry. You can make it a slightly healthier version, and you can just pan fry it until golden, because we're going to add the spices in a minute. But it's a really good raita that goes with almost all the curries, dal, and you know, it's really good as a side with chutney and stuff. So yeah, easy peasy. That is looking beautifully golden, nice and crispy, and I am going to assemble it now. And all we do next is put all these okras in a bowl and put the spices on top. So I've got 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon mango powder, amchur, 1/4 teaspoon ground cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and all these spices will go on top of the okra. And mix it well so that all the okra or bhindi is evenly coated. I've just got a bowl of natural yogurt, and I'm going to just with the spoon smoothen it out, just mix it well, and also add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, basically a big pinch of salt. And that is kind of it really. We are just going to put this okra on top, and it's ready to go on the table. These crispy okra pieces are really good to snack on as well, if you don't want to put it on raita, because they're crispy, properly crispy. And with the mango powder, it's sour and it's got chili powder. Oh, you can just have a handful of these. So good. And that is literally it. It's as easy and simple as that. So that's your okra raita or bhindi raita ready. It's from my book Cardamom Trail, and if you've tried any of the recipes from here, do let me know. And it's really good with tadka dal, with chicken curry, with any other sabjis, or also really good with pulao. And you can find all those recipes on the channel right here. Please do give this a go. Give us a thumbs up if you like the recipe. Subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll see you back next week for a brand new recipe. Time for a taster. What's not to like? It's just got so much flavor in it for a raita. It's packed with flavor. Great with some rice. So, really good stuff.